I'm excited to show you something truly powerful I built, an innovative AI agent that seamlessly connects ChatGPT directly to GA4 and Google Slides. This agent lets you ask complex questions in plain English, and it automatically generates a complete polished Google Slides report for you. Let me show you exactly how this groundbreaking system works. This is my GA Insights agents. I can ask it questions in plain English like show me users by state over the past 2 weeks. Let's punch that in. And it's talking to CommerceAce, and we can see instantly it pulls the data from Google Analytics and gives me the results. But the real magic happens when I ask it to create a Google Slides report. In this demo, I'll have it generate a deck for a specific 2-week period, and you'll see how I even programmed it to include an automatic week-over-week comparison, all without lifting a finger. Here is my Google Slides template that we start off with, and now we can ask it the question to create my GA Slides report from October 5 to October 18, which is that 2-week range I just mentioned. And we'll hit enter here. It'll ask us to confirm the privacy policy as there is data passing over to Google. What's happening here is it's fetching the data from Google Analytics, passing it to my backend system, and then to a Google Apps script that builds the charts and sheets, and then generates the slides in my Google Slides as well. And there are the slides. So we've got users over time, session over time, and bounce rate over time. And then there it is. This is the new Google Slides presentation with the live charts. And here's the comparison chart, right? So we've got week A and week B on users over time. So all of this was created without touching Google Analytics or Slides manually. And that is really the great magic here, right? So the tech behind this is a combination of chat, GPT agent, lightweight backend system, API, Google Apps, script, and each of these pieces is modular, so I can update charts or slides logic without having to rewrite the entire flow. And I can pretty much add any metrics desired that is available in Google Analytics. With this agent, you simply ask your question, and your entire presentation is done and ready for review. No more dashboards to sift through, no more manual reporting tasks, just clear, concise answers delivered instantly. If you're building anything like this, or if you want something similar tailored for your team, let's connect and explore the possibilities. Thanks for watching.